Genevieve, one of the founders of Vicuna, and this is Denise, our other founder of Vicuna.
Vicuna is a company that innovates productivity tools. I'm the Technology and Operations Director, and Genevieve is our Partnerships and Design Director.
So our very first product, Scholybot, is an AI-assisted workbook creation and data management engine. So our product vision came from Denise. Denise has been working as an educator for a couple of years, where she has discovered the pain points of being an educator. The idea of an automated workbook generation was born.
Scholybot consists of 3 main features to help our users manage, create, and design their personalized workbooks. The first 2 features are AI-assisted to help them manage their question banks efficiently, and as well as recommend suitable questions to add into their personalized workbooks.
So the last feature is a design template tool where educators can select any template you want, from practice papers to even gamified workbooks.
We face 2 very huge challenges when designing Scholybot. The first one is to manage the user-friendliness together with the customizability. Scholybot has a lot of very useful features that we want to add in. However, at the same time, we want to make sure that teachers would still be able to use them very easily. So the second challenge that we face is we want to design a system that is as optimized and lightweight as possible, so that even teachers living in less developed countries would be able to utilize our system with very low internet speeds.
My one advice for budding founders out there is you have to discern between constructive advice and advice that are not that applicable, to ensure that your own vision and mission for your own startup is not affected. So one resource that budding entrepreneurs could look into is Alibaba Cloud's Project Asia initiative. So for us, how we benefited from it was attending one of their entrepreneur courses. The course has allowed founders all around the region to be able to learn and with one another and discuss our findings. So our biggest takeaway is learning about the users' insight around the region that actually has helped influence a little bit of our product direction.
The biggest advice that I can give when it comes to developing your own product is to spend more time on validating your idea, so that you waste lesser time downstream fixing any mistakes, overhauling your projects, or even like putting a stop to it because you realize that your products don't work.
Right now, Scholybot only supports our functionalities in English. We'll be looking into expanding into other language to allow more users around the world to be able to access Scholybot. We hope for Vicuna to be a global leading provider for content management productivity too.